Whoa, crash into the pipe. Reverse, reverse. There you go. There you go. Nope, that's the wrong way. Yep, the other way. There you go. Let off the gas. Oh, now you're out of the racetrack. You having fun? Oh, off the racetrack. Ooh, stuck, Chuck. Them ones are taller. It's a little bit harder. Might have to go down there and get it. Go get it. No, 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 no. Keegan, go down there and get it and throw it back on the racetrack. Quit banging the remote. You knock the batteries out of this junk thing. Every time.
3.
What?